Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Kew Gardens. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started by clicking the check availability option. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So let's say we want to purchase tickets for the 12th right here. I'm going to select the date, and then it's going to enable me to select what kind of tickets I need. Let's say only one adult ticket. If you have young people or seniors with you, you can go and select their tickets as well, and then click next to go to the experience page where you're going to see similar experiences you can save money on. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and go to the personal details page where we can get started with filling out our personal info such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. Make sure to fill that all out, and then you can click the next option to go to the payment page, and this is going to open up this new menu where we can go and take a look at all the payment methods we can use for making the purchase. So you're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, and PayPal. Choose whichever one suits you the most. Let's say debit and credit card. It's going to open up this menu where I can get started with filling out my card info, and once I'm ready and finished, I can click the pay button to make the purchase. So once you have made the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So go into the description of this video, find the link, open it up, and get started with getting your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.